Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here and we are back with yet another unboxing, and this time around we have the Huawei's Nova 3E, or also called as the P20 Lite. So Nova 3 is the name specific to certain markets including China, but in the Europe market this is called as the Huawei P20 Lite. So this is the latest, or rather the budget offering under the P20 series. So we have the P20, P20 Pro and P20 Lite. So Nova 3 is basically the P20 Lite. So this device should be coming to India pretty soon, so we don't have any specific details on when it is coming and what is the name it will be available. So we have the Nova 3E or also the P20 Lite. So in this video we're gonna do the unboxing of this device. So we have the blue variant with us, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage is this device. So this is the Nova 3E, and let's get started with the unboxing. So opening up the box, so we get the blue variant on the top. So let's just take this out of the box pack, and you have the specifications mentioned here. So full view display, Huawei's full view display 2.0, 16 megapixel front camera, 16 megapixel plus 2 megapixel rear camera. So the rear camera is a dual camera, so you can see here this is the dual camera, and we have the real-time face unlock functionality, 4GB RAM and 64GB storage along with fast charging 2.0. So let's just peel off the sticker, and this is the device. So you can see that this device comes with a notch. So that's the notch. It's 19:9 aspect ratio display, 5.84 inches screen size, and it looks really good in terms of the looks. You can see that the blue variant, this is a dual camera setup, 16 and 2 megapixel camera. It's a dual camera. You can see the specifications mentioned here. Dual lens and the fingerprint scanner is mentioned. This is the LED flash also included, and this is the shining blue variant. We can see the Huawei logo as well. So this is the P20 Lite, and we have a USB Type-C port included on this device. So that's quite good because most of the budget Huawei devices come with a micro USB charging slot, but we have the USB Type-C port, and we have the 3.5mm audio jack and the speaker unit. Up top there are no openings or slots, and on the right side we have this power and volume keys. The left side houses the SIM tray. It's a hybrid SIM card slot. That means you can use one SIM card and an SD card, or two SIM cards. So that's the Huawei P20 Lite, and let's see what else comes inside the box. So you get the SIM ejector pin, and opening up we have the quick start guide, and detailed information is included. Then we have the Type-C cable, USB Type-C standard cable, then the charging cable. So this is at 5V 2A and 9V 2A. So this supports fast charging 2.0. So you can see here Huawei's quick charge supported on this device, and we also get an earphone included in this box. So this is a pretty basic quality earphone. So that's all inside the box. Now let's boot the device. So that's the Huawei P20 Lite, and this device comes with a 5.85-inch 8.4-inch Full HD Plus resolution display. You can see the notch here. We have the 16 megapixel shooter, the sensor, earpiece all included, and the display quality actually looks really good, and it's vibrant and colorful display, and the viewing angles are also really good. Now let's go to the settings and see the function, the software features. So about phone, you can see that Huawei Nova 3E, and the software is EMUI 8.0, and on top of Android 8.0 Oreo out of the box. So high silicon Kirin 659 is the chipset. That's the chipset we have seen on a lot of devices under the Honor branding, the Honor 9i, the Honor 9 Lite, and even the Honor 7X. All these devices came with the high silicon Kirin 659 chipset. So we have 4GB RAM and 64GB storage, out of which 51.27GB is available out of the box, and the screen resolution is 2280 by 1080p resolution, and we have the Android security patch from March 2018. So that's the device features, and we have the EMUI 8.0, and you can see a lot of features have been included with EMUI 8.0. So we have seen this with a lot of Honor devices. So that's the UI, and we also have additional options including NFC supported, and a few other apps including phone manager, health are supported. And let's go to the camera. So that's one of the important aspects. So let's open the camera app and see how good the camera experience can see. So this is the camera app, and if you swipe from here, you get a plethora of modes included. So it also comes with AI features, and we have this photo mode, pro video mode, HDR night shot, and a whole lot of features included. And here if you swipe in, you can see the resolution is 16 megapixel. That's the primary resolution, and there is also we can just have a look at the video recording. So let's just go to the video and swipe here. The video recording maximum supported is full HD. There's no 4K supported on this device. So that's the camera UI, and you also have this portrait mode and the depth mode, wide aperture mode rather. So wide aperture mode, you can change the aperture values once you have once you have taken the photo. So that's wide aperture mode. Then we have the portrait mode, and you can see the best distance is 0.5 meter to 2 meters. So when you're taking the photos. So that's the camera UI. Now let's quickly have a look at the camera sample. So we have just taking some shots here. So the focusing is quite fast, and let's see the sample. So under into lighting condition, the camera looks pretty good. The details are also pretty good. So here are some of the samples which we have taken with this device after unboxing the device. So we'll be coming up with a detailed camera review pretty soon, so stay tuned for those videos. So in the meantime, you can have a look at some of the samples we have taken after unboxing the device. So the camera definitely is promising, so stay tuned for the detailed review. So the phone also comes with a 3000 mAh battery, and this supports fast charging. So that's again an added feature. It has fast charging 2.0, so it should be able to charge the device in quite good time. So that was unboxing and hands-on with the Huawei P20 Lite or the Huawei Nova 3E. Both the devices are same except for the name which is available in certain markets as Nova 3E, and in Europe and other markets it's mentioned as Huawei P20 Lite. So that's it for this video. This is Nirmal signing off. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.